Everyone, this is TJ over at Rockhopper RC, and I just wanted to do a quick video about how I cleaned up the wiring on my brushless conversion for the SCX30. It's pretty basic. It's just using the AM32 ESC from AliExpress with a purple Viper Enduro motor and a Dumbo RC receiver, but it uses these really tiny ZH 1.5 millimeter connectors. So you see the little adapter I made right there for the servo. I cut it too short the first time. And I bought a crimp kit off Amazon for these guys, and I'll link it down in the description if you guys are interested. And it really helped clean up the wires, and I really like the way it looks and saves a lot of weight. Once I get the Enduro servo, I'll swap this stock one out and get rid of the adapter, so it's a lot cleaner. It's a Dumbo RC P4 FMG. Also, this one does have a gyro. Interesting. So if you guys like it, I'll put some running video at the end. So, and just give me a like and subscribe, please. Thanks.